Talkie Soulful AI Prompt tutorial. Hi guys, in this video we'll teach you how to use Talkie Soulful AI for you to have great prompts. All you have to do is go to your profile on the upper right corner of the screen and simply start creating your own character. And you'll be routed to this page. When you click on the character, what you can do is actually you can either use an image, either you can use it for a reference with its style, or the character's features. So for example, I have this image right here that I will be using as a reference image. And once that is set, the next thing that I will do here is to write the image prompt. You can actually use AI to help you compose the prompt so that you will have a better image that will be generated later on. But what you can do is simply type in first the initial characteristics of the character that you want to create here at Talkie Soulful AI. What the hair color is, what style. You can even indicate the nationality, the age, or the setting as well. Is it in a city? What the weather is like, what the scene or what type of scene you want to create here. So once you're done, click on AI Compose and you'll see here that the AI automatically generates the image prompt for you. So once you're done, you can click on which style you will be choosing, whether it's an anime style. You can definitely click on that and you will be able to see here that it will generate you these images that you can choose from for your final image for the character that you'll be creating. For example, I'll be using this character, the one holding the umbrella. This is the closest image that is related to the prompt that I wrote earlier. So you just adjust the image, and then once you're done, simply click on next, and you will be routed into another page wherein you will be setting up the name, description, and you can definitely help AI or ask for AI's help. Just simply click on AI Writer button that's on the upper right corner of the screen, and it provides you the name, the description, and even the prologue for your character. Next is you'll be setting up the voice of the AI voice that you'll be using for the character, and once you click on confirm, you will now have your own AI or Talkie Soulful AI character with the help of the prompt that you did earlier. And that's basically it. That's the end of the video. Thank you for watching. We'll see you in the next one. Bye.